Well, this is about as close to the final walkthrough we're going to get because we got so many projects going on. We only got a punch list of small things to do. These stairs got tuck pointed, but there was carpet on them, so I don't know what he's going to do about cleaning the glue and all the stuff off of the railings here. But we rehung all the gutters and downspouts here on the front of the house. New front door and storm door here. Get close, but I want to go back to the side. Got a nice new front door. There's hardwood floors in here, and we went with LVP, and I'll just go through. So we added recessed lighting everywhere. There's no lighting in here. New doors, except this one. This hall door is original. It was a weird size, so we kept it, even though it doesn't, the panels don't necessarily fit. Bedrooms, just carpet. We left the original light fixtures. These fans were here. We kept them. Grable gray walls, white trim, really cheap carpet. Windows were already here, updated, slab doors, knobs, and everything. One of the things on the punch list, we need to get the bulbs and the stuff in there for that. We got to spray paint the old registers. Kitchen came out really good. So we added recessed lighting in here. Sorry, my keys are really loud here. Did 4x12 backsplash tile here. Stove, microwave. Plug up there for the microwave. Black furniture. And then in the back, little dining room area here, lots of lighting. And we added these wall cabinets that we spaced up. And we got a nice little set of cabinets all the way down here. So we got that crap in there. So you got a lot of crap to take and clean up. This trim, it's not painted, but it was in good shape. And since the window was this style, we just left it because it's literally only one back room. So it's not the end of the world. But all this plumbing stuff was updated. The drain in the wall and everything is all new. And then we went with bigger base because there was a lot of messed up drywall in here. LVP to the landing. We got an original side door here. And all we had to do is add this screen door. And then we replaced one of the rotted ties on here and then just painted this brown. Need some pressure washing on the awnings to clean stuff up. Place some window screens, but we didn't do anything crazy to the exterior. Nothing going on really here. And then I'll show you guys the basement. We need our handrail put on. That's one of the things on the punch list. So there was like a weird OSB on the wall. So we kind of came over everything with just a real thin layer of plywood or drywall. Transition into a bunch of shoddy drywall work. If you have a lot of lighting, you can see it. None of this is from us, but we didn't want to re-skim coat everything in the finished basement. So we did this midnight blue. Because if you get real close to it, this camera should pick it up. A lot of shoddy drywall work. But in person, it pretty much deletes because of the color. If anything, it actually sticks out and it's more clear. The phone here that I'm recording it with picks up more of the imperfections than actually the human eye does. So, half-finished little basement here. White wainscot, midnight blue, everything to delete. And we actually left the lighting. The lighting that's here was here. So, all the other areas, just gray floor. We used agreeable gray down here. We usually white this stuff, but we had a ton of agreeable gray. So just to make sure it matches everything else, we just kept it rather than doing white in a weird spot. And then I thought it was hilarious. They still put white over here. But this is more of a finished area here because you got drywall. So that'll be the laundry area. That'll be finished. So these cabinets were here. We left them. This paint's still dry. Yep. Got white over here. This panel was here. Ton of new circuits and everything. It's really a good house. And then, so I'll show you guys upstairs. Really cheap carpet. The investor used a different carpet guy than my guy. My guy throws a little bit better of a grade carpet in. But yeah, we need a good cleaning everything through here. So these walls, they actually had a wallpaper on them. They actually turned out pretty good. It's crazy because how nasty they were. There was a weird access panel here that they had to go through to get in to do the recessed lighting in the living room. So that's why this is just kind of blocked off now, because they had to puncture it and then we had to finish it and kind of make it look right. But we just deleted it and did it the wall color so that it didn't get any attention. Windows, new glass, because 2 of these windows were broken. This is a little attic access door. This is all wood paneling. And the bedrooms had it. God, it's hot up here. Holy shit. But we had to rip down all the ceiling in these bedrooms and add electrical so that they could be, a bedroom with outlets and light. So these are on a 3-way in the hall, bottom of the stairs, and right here, which is nice. I mean, that's a great location. It's outside both bedrooms. And then, so all this drywall, both of the bedroom ceilings are drywall. It was the wood paneling that you see here, which, by the way, all this had to be oil-based. What a nightmare, Ohio banned oil-based, so it was hard to find it and get a hold of it. But so we ran a light for all the bedrooms. And then we're still waiting on these registers. A couple little punch list things. And then this hallway, I don't know how many times I did video updates on it. Most of the time my YouTube videos here are just a before and after I walk through. So anyway, this, where you see the asbestos tile, this used to be the back of a closet, just kind of like how this is a closet in this bedroom. We removed the wall because otherwise the only access you had to the attic was there. So now you have a nice attic walk-in. If you got Christmas decorations, anything, you just walk in and you have better access to all your storage. I don't know if there's lighting in here or not. I kind of forget. But nice and walk-in accessibility, so much better. So that's why we kept that and we deleted the back of that door. And then these things are like not doorknobs or whatever, but I don't know what's going on with that. But anyway, same like this thing. This was what kind of latches these stupid things have? Oh, okay, I see. It was like that. And we just removed the back of it in the hallway in order to make it work. Okay, I see, that's a lot better. I just don't know how to use the damn knobs on them. But that's everything. Start to finish. It's built in here. Did white. It's presentable. It's rent ready. Section 8 rent ready. So just a couple little punch list things like the handrails and stuff like that. And we're good to go. So thanks for watching. A lot of lighting down here. Incredible amount of lighting. I think it's overkill, but it looks nice.